The flashing white light on your Rogers Ignite Internet box, such as the XB6, XB7, or XB8 models, typically indicates that the device is starting up or undergoing a firmware update. This process usually takes 5 to 15 minutes, after which the light should become solid white or blue, indicating normal operation. Remember, this flashing light is a diagnostic tool designed to communicate the device's status. It's not always an indication of failure, but understanding when to be concerned is the first step in troubleshooting. If your Rogers Internet box is stuck with a flashing white light, start with a power cycle. Unplug the box from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This restarts the system and often resolves temporary glitches. Next, check your connections. Make sure the coaxial cable is securely connected to both the box and the wall outlet. Loose connections can interrupt the signal. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Locate the reset button on the back and press it for 10 to 15 seconds. This will erase all custom settings. Check the Rogers outage map using their app to see if there are any reported service disruptions in your area that may be affecting your connection. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Rogers support through their phone line or app for advanced diagnostics and potential hardware replacement. The problem might be a faulty power adapter.